Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. It's Diane, and I'm going to do an 11 by 14 balloon smash. I will tell you the colors as I use them. First, I'm putting down Soho Red Matter, available at Jerry's Artorama. And I think I'm going to do a couple of different spots today. I'm not going to just all do in one. So Soho Red Matter. On top of that, I'm going in with the Lucas Cadmium Orange that I really like. I like bright, so we're going in with some bright. Um, on top of that, this is Blue Violet Purple Color Shift. I'm trying to use colors that will not be too heavy and sink underneath the white, because I just did another balloon smash and that's what happened. So I'm trying something different. I'm even not wearing gloves because I just have paint all over me. So this is Rose from Lucas Krill. These are all the consistency, a medium consistency is what I usually use. And you should see, I did a video on how I mix my paints, and if it's not already on YouTube, it should be scheduled for one day soon, so you can see how I do things. So yeah, I like those four colors. I do have some silver, but I think I'm going to go on with some gold instead. Yeah, some gold. I normally go ahead and torch these in between, but I'm not, for the simple reason that I just mixed a lot of these in. They really do not have air bubbles in them because I just used them. All right, so let's smash away. Ooh, pretty. Someone that follows me on Diane Gideon Art on my Facebook page, they posted a wonderful picture of a balloon smash they did. I think her name was Leanne. But go ahead and look at the one she did. She put a lot of gold in it, and it's just gorgeous. I loved it. Yeah, look at those cells. I have a lot of white, though. I have to take some of that off now. So I am going to try to leave a decent amount of negative space on here. I am going to try and take it off the edges if I can. I just like to make sure that it looks cool when it goes over the edge. You know what I'm saying? Looks cool, man. Yeah, I really like that Rose Matter. Fan of that. I did a pastel balloon smash before this, which may or may not make it to YouTube. It was a good smash, but it's very hard to see on camera because they were all very light colors. And I still have not figured out this lighting. I bought studio lighting, if you will. I'll call it that. I mean, that's what it's meant for. It's meant for vlogging and YouTube and Twitch and all that, but it just isn't working for me. I've tried like 4 or 5 different setups, so we'll see. But ooh, love that. Look at that. Love it. some of these, nothing in the bottle, but some of the little cups that I used have silicone in them. I don't put silicone in my bottles when I mix them just because I would like to, you know, I don't want silicone in some pores. So there's that. We might end up doing this whole thing. It's only an 11 by 14. You know, I say those things and then I'm like, oh, it is only an 11 by 14. It's not like it's a big canvas, so I may end up covering it. It is highly likely. I did go ahead and I used covering white on the back as my background, and I made sure I got all my sides. It's really pretty. I like those colors together. I'm just trying to get the composition right. I like it a little darker down here, so let's see if it'll let me put some of that down. It just pulls the white up. I have ways around that. It's called pouring some there. I don't usually do this, but I will put in the description the colors I use because I realize I haven't been telling you every single. Well, I may have said every single one, but I'll put it in the description. Pretty. Gorgeous on the balloon and on the canvas, in my opinion. I've had several requests about me trying to get closer with my camera, so that's on my list. I'm going to try to do that. I have not forgotten. I've tried all sorts of settings tonight on it so that it would not autofocus. So I was able to at least stop that. Just going down my sides here to make it colorful because it looks pretty. Some of it does go over the sides when I do it, but not all. At least I finally figured out that autofocus on this webcam. This Logitech C922. I figured it out, people. If you have questions, ask me. Shoot me an email. Leave me a comment. I'll let you know how to fix it. So I think I'm going to stop there. I kind of like that. It's very pastel-y in here, which is what the other one, if it makes it to YouTube or not, looks like. And that was pretty. But I think I want to stop. I'm putting the balloon down. The balloon is down. I actually did that without too much paint on my hands. And I'll take this up for a closer look. See if you can. There is a lot right there in that one section, but I like over here in these pastels. And then, yeah, I'm a fan of it. I like it. I still have some drying from last week, but I'll do a video on them when they're all dry of the previous ones. I am going to torch this quickly. I'm sure there's some bubbles in here somewhere after all that pulling of the paint. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button if you like this video. Go ahead and ring the bell next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified of when I upload my next video. And give me a shout out in the comment section if you want to have any questions or want to leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.